Dear students, in the previous we have discussed the problem. Now again we will discuss the another important problem regarding to activity based costing. The problem is a company manufacturing two products furnishes the following data for a year, product A and B. So for product A, the annual output is 5000 units, for product B is 6000 units. The total machine hours is 20,000 for product A, 1,20,000 is for product B. Total number of purchase orders for product A is 160 and for product B is 384. The total number of setups for product A is 20 and for product B is 44. The other information, the annual overhead are as under volume related activity costs 5,50,000, setup related costs 8,20,000, purchase related costs 6,18,000. You are required to calculate the cost per unit of each product A and B based on traditional method, and second one activity based costing method. Yes. Now the solution is as the information given in the problem we should do in both the methods, that is traditional method as well as ABC method, that is activity based costing method. Now under first one traditional method, so total overhead cost, so we should do total overhead cost. So the annual overhead cost has been given in the problem. Volume related activity cost is 5,50,000, setup related cost is 8,20,000, purchase related cost is 6,18,000. So when I will total the total overhead cost 5,50,000 plus 8,20,000 plus 6,18,000, so I will get 19,88,000. So now for total machine hours, when I will total for product A and product B as per the problem 20,000 plus 1,20,000, I will get 1,40,000 machine hours. So now what I will do, I should divide the machine hour rate, total overhead that I have done here, total machine hours, yes, I have calculated. So 19,88,000 divided by for 1,40,000 machine hours is equal to, I will get 14.20 machine hour rate. Now we should do the statement of cost. So as per the information given in the problem, the output units for product A is 5,000, for product B is 60,000. Now overhead cost at rupees 14.20. So at machine hour, so the machine hour for product A is 20,000 into 14.20, I will get 2,84,000. For product B is 1,20,000 into 14.20 that I have calculated here, I will get 17,04,000. So after this what I will do, I have got overhead cost at machine hours by multiplying, but what I should do, I should divide that one. So what is that, how to divide? C divided by A, that is overhead cost I have already got, so it should be divided under units, the product that I have produced. So machine hour is 2,84,000 divided by 5,000 units, I will get 56.8. For product B 17,04,000 divided by 60,000, I will get 28.4. First one we have done traditional method. Now the second one we should do under ABC method, that is activity based costing. So we should calculate machine hour rate. Now they have given here. So what is the formula? Total overhead cost for volume related activities divided by total machine hours. So what is the activity related cost? As per the problem is given 5,50,000 divided by 1,40,000 hours. You can ask one question, sir, how 1,40,000 is came? So if I total it, the total machine hours for product A is 20,000, for product B is 1,20,000. When I will total, I will get 1,40,000 hours. So when I will divide in like for volume related activity cost divided by total machine hours, I will get 3.93 rupees. Now next, cost setup, that is setup related cost. So I should do for individually total setup. So how much? A plus B for product A is 20, for product B is 24. When I will total, I will get 64. The formula is total cost related to setups divided by total number of setups. So the total cost as per the information 8,20,000. Just now I have totaled A plus B is equal to 64. When I will divide, I will get 12,812 rupees 50 paisa. The last one is for third one, cost, that is purchase related cost. For one I should do it, that is I should do it individually. For product A and B, the total purchase orders are 160 and 384. When I will total it, I will get 544. Now, total cost related to purchases divided by total number of purchase orders. As per the information, 6,18,000 divided by 544, I will get 1,136.03. So, after calculation, we should do the last step, statement of cost. So, annual outputs as per the problem, for product A 5,000, for product B 60,000, cost related to volume related activities, that is based on the machine hours I should do it, 20,000 hours for product A into 393.93 I have calculated here, so I will get 78,600. For product B 1,20,000 machine hours into 3.93, I will get 4,71,600. Cost related to purchase orders, the product is 160 into the answer is 1,136.03. I will get 1,81,764.8. For product B is 384 into 1,136.03. If I multiply, I will get 4,36,235.52. The next cost related setup, the last one is the total number of setup for product A is 20. When I will multiply into 12,812.50, I will get 2,56,250. For product B is 44 into, when I will multiply into 12,812.50, I will get 5,63,750. When I will total this one, 78,600, 1,81,764.8, 2,56,250. When I will total these three under product A, I will get 5,16,614.8. For product B, 4,71,600, 4,36,235.52 paisa, 5,63,750. When I will total here, 14,71,585.52 I will get. So what I should do here, I should divide the cost per unit. So the divide is 5,16,614.8 divided by 5,000. The units that I have produced under product A, I will get 103.323. For product B, 14,71,585.52. The product B is 60,000 units. When I will divide, I will get 24.526. I hope you have understood. Thank you.